I continue my trek around Florida, and here I am at Club Med Sandpiper Bay in Port St. Lucie. And I tell you, this is the only all-inclusive property in all of North America. And you might wonder, why is she in the bathroom? Well, I could start just about anywhere, but the bathroom is just as good a place as any, particularly because it's one of my favorite places to be. So this is where we're gonna be spending the next few days. And this is no fun trip. Well, actually I do plan to have fun, but I'm at school. I am at Mastermind Academy. Yep, you heard me right. This is where they are going to train me to become bigger and better and more wonderful and more awesome for all of you. So you know that you can book your holidays with confidence, because you know you have an alumni of the Mastermind Academy. And who is a mastermind? In simple English that is, porque no estoy hablando en castellano, it's someone who has taken the time to ensure that they prepare themselves so you can get the very best from your holiday planning. So this is our room, and I am here for this particular stay with my travel buddy Desroy, and he just walked out. Very nice room though, big, spacious, good for families, mounted TV. You have children or youngsters, 2 separate areas for sleeping, as well as a bedroom. And we've got a full balcony that overlooks the lake. Now I'll take you out there a little later so you'll get an idea. And if you look closely, there's Desiree going down the walkway. He's interested in the tennis academy. No, he's gonna be having lots of fun. So I just got in. I'm gonna kick back a bit, relax, unwind. We've got cocktails at 6, and so I will talk with you later.